If you want to learn how to bake a delicious gluten-free orange cake that will shock even those who usually dislike gluten-free recipes, watch this video until the end because it will teach you how to bake this in 7 simple steps. For this recipe, you're gonna need 135 grams of almond flour, 80 grams of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of fine salt, 3/4 of cups of olive oil, 220 grams of demerara sugar, 3 eggs, orange zest of 2 oranges, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 2 cardamom seeds. And I'm using demerara cubes, like the ones that you put on a cup of coffee or tea, but you can just buy the sugar, the fine sugar as well. It's actually better, but if you don't have, you just have the cubes, you can use them as well, it's fine. The first thing you do is to preheat the oven to 160 degrees and grease a rectangular baking pan with olive oil and corn flour. The second thing is to combine the eggs and the sugar. Add the eggs and the sugar to a large bowl and mix them using an electric mixer in medium speed for about 10 minutes until the mixture is smoothie. The third thing is to combine the remaining wet ingredients. Add the orange zest, the orange juice and olive oil to the large bowl using a spatula to combine them in the mixture. Step number 4 is to add the cardamom to the mixture. Step number 5 is to mix the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine the salt, the baking powder and the corn flour. Add this mixture to the ingredients in the large bowl. After that, add the almond flour into the mixture. Stir with a spatula until everything is well combined. Step number 6 is to bake. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 55 to 60 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Finally, step number 7 is to cool and serve. Let the cake cool before molding it from and serving. Now it's time to try our cake. Oh my gosh, look at this cake. Look at this, it looks fantastic. You can taste a little bit of the cardamom and the orange really well. And you can see the grounded almond in little pieces there. It's so beautiful. I'm surprised that how much it sticks together and it's not falling apart. So good. I think I prefer this one rather than the one with gluten. I don't know, it's more exotic, you know, you can feel like the cardamom a little bit. And the almond flour makes all the difference as well. If you want to see more gluten-free cake recipes, check out my next video. I will see you next time. Ciao!